shall be cruising at 41,000 feet, and we're expecting beautiful weather conditions along the way. Justification on light bumpiness. Please ensure you have your seatbelts fastened at all times, even if the seatbelt sign has been switched off. This is of course for your own safety. I'm very glad to be joined by my colleague Frank, and I shall be speaking to you again just prior to our descent into Doha to give you the latest weather and the arrival time. The cabin service director of this flight is Miss Katrina, and she and the rest of the crew will look after your safety and comfort. We trust that you will enjoy our 5-star services with us. Ladies and gentlemen, we will be departing shortly on schedule. Thank you for your attention.
Saves has appeared to every man, for it teaches us to say no to all ungodliness and live self-controlled and godly in the present age wherein, while we wait for our Savior and the blessed hope from Him. What a faithful priest who has given up his life to redeem us from our deeds that are lawless in His sight. We beheld of His glory when the Word in flesh appeared, for He came to indwell us and of death remove the fear. What shall we now say? Shall we sin that grace abounds? Brethren, may it never be that in us this heart is found. Let us come boldly to the throne of grace in time of need, to find help for our troubles and the grace that makes us free. Let us come boldly to the throne of grace in time of need, to find help for our troubles and the grace that makes us free.
Just about a couple of minutes. Doha's latest weather, clear skies, the temperature 32 degrees Celsius. The local time is 35 minutes past 5 in the morning. Traffic permitting, we should be landing about 10 minutes past the hour, and at the bay a few minutes afterwards. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for choosing Qatar Airways, and thank you for your attention. Have a beautiful day. Thank you.